This is a Toyota Verso 1.3 VVT TR 5-door automatic. It's done 28,389 miles. The fuel economy is urban 45.6, extra urban 61.4, combined 54.3, so really economical car, and it's only £30 a year to road tax. It'll still do 103 miles an hour and 0 to 62 in 13.7 seconds. It's 2 owners in total. It has, put that away, it has a full service history. Now, that's the digital service history, which, as you would expect, there's nothing. Fortunately, this owner is old school, and we have a service book which is all stamped up, and the first 4 I think are Toyota main dealers, and the last one is the chap's local garage. Now, serviced at 4,325 miles in 2013, 7,792 miles in 2014, 12,822 miles in 2015, 18,754 in 2016, and 25,905 in October 2017. So not long been done. As you can see, the proper guy that's had this, and really well looked after. Lovely inside. Came in probably about an hour ago, just going out, make sure there's nothing untowards, and to do a test drive. It's a great spec. It's got twin spoke alloy wheels. Let's just get going. Here we go. Put the lights on, actually. Should be able to see the dash better with the lights on. And I did mean to check. Yeah, height and reach adjustable steering wheel. It's automatic, it's even got paddle shift, so we can change up and down there from the paddles. Multifunction steering wheel, change channels on the radio, sat nav, aircon. Move that over there and use the stick as manual shift. Got cup holders. It's got 5 twin spoke alloy wheels. That's 4 wheels but 5 twin spokes, and it is a really nice car. I went for the lunches in it a short while ago, so I already know how it drives, but just even though it's come from Wales, I think, we're just going to make sure everything's alright, so we can give the workshop a heads up if we think there's anything untowards or anything that needs looking at. I'm pretty sure there won't be. The chap who's had it, in the boot there's a brand new set of mats which he didn't want to use in case he got dirty. So that's the type of owner that we like to take cars off. There's also windscreen wipers, spare windscreen wipers. Lovely old chap, and I love buying cars off people like that. This came in part exchange against another one. Let's just give it some gas and take it up the motorway. I'll show you how to set the sat nav when I get back to the garage, and see the Bluetooth hands-free. Drives great, seats are comfortable. It's finished in kind of a pale blue metallic, anthracite bolsters with grey pattern centre panels. It's quite a nippy car. Right, so we've got, it's in eco at the moment. Just get up to speed a little bit. So we're in eco, doing 50, eco lights on, hit the sport button. That makes the throttle more responsive, and gear changes as well. Don't need it in that. Nice handling, smooth ride, fairly quiet. It's got some rear parking sensors, electric windows, comes with 2 keys, electric door mirrors, remote central locking. It's got a proper handbrake and not all those stupid electric ones. So with a bit of lucky, it'll stream audio as well, which is very handy considering what's on the radio these days. So you can play music directly from your phone. Look at the sat nav there. Into the inside lane. Touchscreen sat nav. Car switch, so that's telling you the fuel economy as well, previous fuel economy, and you can clear it and start again if you're on a trip. Set up general Bluetooth, telephone, audio, vehicle. Destination, enter destination, get it back on the map, there you go. And that's even telling you the junctions ahead. Make sure you set up where you want to come off. Junction 29. I just leave a gap so I don't run into the car in front, not so as you can cut in. Thank you very much. Oh dear me, can't wait a minute. There's also a real heavy duty mat in the boot, load space cover I suppose it's called these days. there just flashing the follow me sign to that van. Sitting at the back. It's not riding well. Wheels are sat up in the wheel arches. Brakes are perfect, spot on, no wheel wobbles, wheel balancing issues, no knocks anywhere, or whines or groans from anywhere. It's a really nice little car. Ideal 5-door as well. It's got everything going for it. Clean, tidy, low mileage, full service history, and automatic. Oh, also, I think, yep, we've got driver's front central armrest here. Electric window switches here, electric door mirrors there. We've got indicators on the left and headlights on the left, wipers on the right. Just check the wipers when we get round the corner. Make sure the blades are okay. Only serviced 2,000 miles ago, I think. So it's just got the one big wiper. There we go. There's the rear wash, and the wiper on that's working fine. But as I say, the type of guy who's had this car has got spares in the boot as well, just in case. Type of person you'd want as your granddad looking after you. It's I'm not sure how old he was, but drove up to come and see it, left a deposit on the car that we've got, buying a Golf convertible. That too's a lovely clean car. Left a deposit on Saturday, drove up with his best friend to buy it today, and you always know how good the car's going to be, really. It'd be great if you could deal with people like that all the time. When I went out in it before as well, not that I speed, but it gives you a warning, an audible warning through the sat nav to tell you whether or not you're travelling too fast on the particular road. So